In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract numbers in Microsoft Excel. Subtraction is one of the fundamental operations in Excel, and mastering it can save you a lot of time when working with spreadsheets. Excel provides multiple ways to perform subtraction, from simple formulas to more advanced methods, but today we'll focus on the easiest and most straightforward approach. To begin, we'll use a basic table as an example. In this table, numbers are listed in columns A and B, and we want to calculate the difference between them in column C. This approach ensures that you can see results immediately and apply the same method to other calculations effortlessly. Start by clicking on the cell where you want the result to appear. For our first calculation, we'll select cell C2. Then, press the equal sign on your keyboard. This tells Excel that you are about to enter a formula. Next, click on the cell containing the first number you want to subtract, which in this example is cell A2. You'll notice that Excel automatically adds the cell reference next to the equal sign. After that, type the minus sign to indicate subtraction. Then, click on the cell containing the second number, B2. At this point, your formula should read equals A2 minus B2, which instructs Excel to subtract the value in B2 from the value in A2. Press Enter, and the result will appear instantly in cell C2. This same method can be adapted for addition, multiplication, or division, with separate tutorials available for those calculations. Now here's a handy trick to make your work even faster. If you need to apply this subtraction formula to multiple rows, click on the cell with the formula, C2. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until it changes to a small cross. Then, click and drag the formula down to the other rows, and Excel will automatically adjust the formula for each row, giving you the corresponding differences instantly. And that's all there is to it. With this simple method, you can efficiently subtract numbers in Excel without having to enter each formula manually. Practicing this technique will help you handle larger data sets quickly and reduce errors, making your workflow much smoother. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.